In the last class, that's Monday, we had started off with determiners, right? And I told you that आपके जो पेपर में मतलब according to your 11th standard, as per the syllabus, as per the current pattern, the grammar would consist or comprise of only MCQs. That can be fill-ups, editing, rearrange, but anything with whatever is going to come, it will be coming in only the MCQ type. Means you will be given the answers, you will be given the options, and you have to select one of them. Then we had studied the determiner का हमने जो है what is the meaning of determiners किया था. We started off with articles a and the. I gave you the glimpse into what is a, how we use a and an, that those which are called as indefinite articles. Then the or the, what we call, right? अब हम लोग जो है we will be quickly revising the other determiners which we are using. आपको सिर्फ क्वेश्चंस में भरना है, बट यू शुड नो द what we call as a rule कि कहाँ हम ये लिखते हैं. Like this is a very common mistake I have always seen. It is not with you. I have seen, you know, senior people writing. मतलब कभी कभी तो मुझे, I shouldn't say that being a teacher, but certain times it maybe I have, you know, been born and brought up in a you know, disciplined environment. गलती माफ नहीं होती है. तो मुझे हमेशा हमारे टीचर्स को मैंने हमेशा देखा है कि दे वर एपिटमी ऑफ परफेक्शन. दे नेवर कमिटेड एनी मिस्टेक. एंड हम लोग जब छोटे बच्चे होते थे तो वी यूज टू, हमें मम्मी पापा यही सिखाते थे. आई रिमेंबर व्हेन आई यूज टू आस्क माय फादर, पापा आपको हर मतलब सिर्फ एक मम्मी सब कुछ करवा देती थी, मैथ साइंस वगैरह तो मम्मा करवा लेती थी टिल 6th स्टैंडर्ड. फिर 7th ऑनवर्ड तो आई वाज ऑल स्टडीड, सेल्फ स्टडी था. तो आई यूज टू आस्क माई फादर, जैसे कोई डिफिकल्ट होगा तो माई फादर वुड टेल दिस इज द मीनिंग, ये होता है. I'd say, Papa, you never open a dictionary, so how you come to know? So he would say that make newspaper your friend. Read lots of books. और अब मैं देखती हूँ even in the digital media there are certain news. उसमें भी there are so many grammatical mistakes. So many. Certain times it really irked me कि ये हो क्या रहा है. Same with the books also. Even in the, जैसे अभी मैं कई बार जो है I dissuade all of you कि आप लोग जो हो don't see the answers from the net, because मैं नेट पे कभी कभी जैसे because I search it, I will not say कि मैं नहीं देखती, मैं देखती हूँ, questions देखती हूँ, types देखती हूँ, and I see the spellings are written wrong. Like एक जगह पे लिखा हुआ था LOSE को LWSE, and that was something like Byju's or something like that. This is because we are not strengthening our base. और जो determiners होते हैं they are the base. It is not that कि आपके पेपर में 5 marks आने वाले हैं और उस 5 marks के लिए मुझे determiner याद करना है. This is because when you are writing your speech, your debate, your answers, anything which is pertaining to your English language, you should know what is the exact word that should come. That should be your motto. राइट अब हम लोगों ने आर्टिकल्स कर लिए हैं. नाउ वी आर मूविंग फर्दर. आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट एवरी वन टू टेक आउट योर नोटबुक्स. आई मे सॉरी randomly I may ask any one of you to send your notebooks. तो याद रखना कि अब ये नोटबुक्स को चुराने वाले काम मत करना. I may ask anyone and don't think कि मैम मुझे नहीं बोलेंगी, मैम को मुझ पर ट्रस्ट है. I can ask any one of you to send your notebook. I just want to see how you are writing the answers. Right? So please maintain a proper notebook. आपका कोई भाई बहन फ्रेंड कोई पूछता हो तो पूछ लेना, 10th में और 9th में ऑलरेडी आई हैव स्टार्टेड इट, दैट दे हैव टू सेंड द नोटबुक्स, पीडीएफ फॉर्म भेजेंगे एंड आई सी दैट वेदर यू आर डूइंग इट, यू आर राइटिंग इट इन द राइट मैनर। आपकी क्योंकि इंग्लिश है, इंग्लिश में अपने अपने रूल्स हैं, इन अदर सब्जेक्ट्स यू हैव अदर रूल्स, ठीक है। वी वर डूइंग डिटरमाइनर्स एंड नाउ वी आर मूविंग टूवर्ड्स, मतलब बाकी तो सारे इजी हैं। When we talk about demonstrative, मतलब जब हम यूज करते हैं किसी भी चीज को डेमोन्स्ट्रेट करने के लिए, लाइक इफ आई हैव टू से दिस इज अ पेन, दिस इज अ पेन, these are pens, that is a mobile, those are books, something which is near, we use this to tell, demonstrate मतलब to tell, and for the plurals we use these, something which is bit far, that, and in the plural those. That's a simple funda. Next आपका आता है possessives. Now what is possessive? Possession में होना, possession में होना यानी कि मेरा, आपका, उसका, उनका, मेरा, आपका, उसका, उसकी, उनका, that is possessive. Can you tell what is the difference between my, mine, her, hers? Anyone? Yes, Ansh.
मैम
या मोनिका बताओ।
मैम my or her shows possessiveness of a like belonging to a person in first person, and mine and hers shows in third person or something.
Okay. That is good. My is adjective. Yes, mine is pronoun. See, both are, why I asked you this is because both of them are also said to be the possessive only. They are also possessive. The way we use it, like this is my book. Yes, as Ansh Bhola said, my is used as an adjective. Book, book से पहले my. This is my book. And if we are using this as a noun, मतलब अगर हम उसको सॉरी pronoun की तरह यूज करें, this book is mine. ये मेरी किताब है. ये किताब मेरी है. So when we are using it in this time, this way, तो हम लोग use करते हैं it is in the, and the meaning goes the same, that is possessive. This is mine, ये मेरा है. This is my book. We are specifying it as an adjective. Good. Right? The same funda goes for hers also. This is because if we say it is her book, it is her book. We have used her as an adjective. And sorry. Means belonging to. So it is only how we are writing. How we are writing. Right? My, mera, your. The same fundamental or basics goes for your and yours also. This is your book. This book is yours. And that is why when we are writing the letter and when we are concluding it, we write yours sincerely. Aapka. Next is his or her. It's. Now there is one more confusion in this. जैसे आपकी your में रहता है आप लोगों को. It's मतलब उसका. It's his, it's उनका, उसका. Whereas जब हम इसमें apostrophe लगा देते हैं तो this is actually a contraction which means it is. So never confuse this possessive with this phrase. It is. ये है its food is. उसका खाना ये है. The tiger's food is ये. It's food. And अगर हम बोलते हैं it is food तो this sentence is wrong. It is incorrect. It is food नहीं होता. It is. It is a book. It is a pen. तो it उसके लिए use हो रहा है it और is. So never confuse it is with its. And never confuse yours with this is not there. Yours means आपका. तेरा, आपका, whatever you say. So this is one of the other points. Now there. When we are using in plural, उनका. When we are using in plural, उनका, then we use their. And many times you all confuse this there with their. जब हम ये वर्ड बोलते हैं ना देयर, तो याद रखा करो जब आप लिखते हो it will have this what we call as sound of year, their, and this is their. वहाँ, there is a book, वहाँ एक किताब है, and their means उनका. This is what we call as possessive determiners. यानी कि when you are writing your sentences, when you are, हाँ मतलब आप देखते हो तो आपको देखना है कि fill in the blanks में कहाँ पे आ रहा है. The duty is, तो theirs आ जाता है. It is their duty. If it is for the plural, there is used for the plural. For singular, it would be its, it would be his, her, my, your. Right? Anyone don't think that it's very bachkana. So don't think that I cannot ask a question. You can ask your queries anytime. Just 1 second. Next is when we are using ordinals, we also use the before it. प्रीडिटरमाइनर हम जिसको कहते हैं. एंड ऑर्डिनल्स हमारे होते हैं, जो वर्ड्स हमारे होते हैं फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, थर्ड, लास्ट, ये सारे आपके जो है ऑर्डिनल्स होते हैं. एंड कार्डिनल्स हमारे होते हैं व्हेन वी आर क्वांटिफाइंग 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,000, मतलब कि आई हैव 2 books. Here it is quantifier. It's telling the quantity. Whereas ये जो होता है, this tells the position. This tells the position and this tells the quantity. So ordinals, first, second, third, last, कुछ भी. And cardinals, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 the numbers. Then we also have proper quantifiers. Now, what is the meaning of proper quantifiers? Which cannot be measured. Which cannot be measured. I have much pain in my leg. हाँ, for stomach and head we don't say pain, we say ache. Stomach ache, headache. Leg ache नहीं बोलते हैं, pain. I have much pain. There is little water left. I have seen many places. Yes, stars are also uncountable, yet we use many. We don't use much. उनके लिए भी हम many use करते हैं. There are many stars in the sky. Are you noting down or just I'm saying it? Some, कुछ. Any, कोई. Is there, अब आप जैसे आपको पूछना है तो what should you ask is there any holiday? आज कोई छुट्टी है क्या? तो any, कोई. Is there anyone whom you know in Delhi? And if the answer is someone, some वैसे कुछ है, but when we add one तो कोई, someone. I know someone. I know many. I know none. या तो आप बोलोगे I do not know anyone, या फिर आप बोलोगे I know none. किसी को भी, किसी को भी. I know none. Are they mad? All, सब. All is also predeterminer because all the people have gone. यहाँ the is determiner and all उससे भी पहले लग रहा है इसलिए predeterminer. So some of the words are also predeterminers and some of the words they can be used as all is well. All is well. Any, none, some, much, little, more. When you have to compare two things, then you use more. Next comes is each. Now, what is the difference between each and every? Each and every. Each is used when we talk about members of a group individually. मतलब मैं अब आप सबसे बात कर रही हूँ, right? I'm speaking to Suvodeep also. I'm speaking to Monica, Eben, Anshika, all. So I would say each one of you. Each one of you has to. अब यहाँ पर क्या है? I'm using each, तो it would be singular. यानी कि हर एक. मतलब आई एम सिंग, मतलब मैं यहाँ पर ग्रुप के अंदर भी आई एम पॉइंटिंग आउट टू एवरीवन. So each is used, each one of you has to, each one is present, each one. तो तब हम यूज करते हैं each. He met each guest. वो हर एक गेस्ट से मिला था. वो हर एक गेस्ट से मिला था. And every is a general statement. Everyone has to submit. Everyone हम generally बात करते हैं. But if I have to specify that आप सबको, हर एक को, तो then I will use each. Each one of you has to be present on that day. Everyone has to be present. Every is a general statement. And each is when we are specifying group के अंदर हर एक को बोल रहे हैं. This is one of the most confusing one. Next is either or. This is when we are giving a choice. When there is a choice. या फिर हम कभी ये भी बोल सकते हैं कोई एक. Either is used when we are giving a choice or कोई एक. Either of you speak up. कोई भी बोलो. And when we say choice, either go to park or take rest. Either watch TV or sit calmly. So when we are giving some choice, then it is either have tea or coffee. That's आपका either. But either को कभी कभी हम लोग ऐसे भी कहते हैं कोई भी एक. We also use either of you come here. Either of you can do this work. कोई भी कर दो. कोई भी. Then also we use either. Now is neither. Sometimes you might have seen certain statements जिसमें हमारा neither लगा नहीं होता. It's not necessary. Neither हम तब लगाते हैं when we want to have a negative or you can say negation. Sometimes the same neither को भी हम लोग ऐसे लिखते हैं. The sense goes the same. He did not go is neither he went. He did not go is neither he went. तो कभी कभी आपको ऐसे सेंटेंसेस मिलेंगे जिसमें जरूरी नहीं है that the sentence is starting with neither and there is nor. There can be a simple sentence with nor. And neither, again it is a negation. Neither of them replied. ना अभी तो कोई रिप्लाई नहीं आया, किसी ने रिप्लाई नहीं किया. Neither of them replied. Then also we use neither. And when we are giving a negation with choice, ना वो गया और ना ही उसने काम किया, then we use neither and nor. Right? And these are the one which will be coming in your papers. Normally, most of the time यही आपके पेपर में सबसे ज़्यादा आते हैं. It is demonstrating. It is determining color. कौन सा कलर? कौन सा कलर? So it is determining it. मतलब in a question form it is में कि किस किस कलर को उसने चूज किया था. Whose book is this? What subjects are you studying? These are called as interrogative. Right? These are some of the other determiners. Now, what is the difference between few and a few? Who can give me answer? Few and a few. Yes, who can tell? Few and a few. Suvadeep. Monica. None. There are some words like little, a little, few, a few. So where do we use them? How do we use them? few means plural countable noun, but a few means to small number. Okay, good. A few is small number, right? Few we use when there is not many, some, or you can say almost, no, sorry, not some. Means शायद ही, कुछ ही. Whereas a few is used for some. A few people I have seen are following the norms properly. Means a small number. You can say a small number. और जब हम नेगेशन में बोलते हैं, मतलब जब हम गुस्से में, इरिटेशन में, नेगेशन में बोलते हैं कि few people understand this, few people understand that, शायद ही कुछ लोग समझते हो. A few people understand it, कुछ लोग तो समझते हैं. So when we are saying something कि कुछ लोग हैं, in a positive sense we use a few. The same principle is applied for a little also, little and a little. If you have to say in complete negation, few, little, few people follow the protocols. मतलब इसका मतलब ये कि ऑलमोस्ट कोई भी नहीं कर रहा, बस एक आध, इक्का दुक्का. हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं ना, इक्का दुक्का. Whereas when we want to say a small number, so we are using a few. Right? These are certain words which you should always be. The same is there. A lot of, बहुत सारे. Plenty, enough, plenty, काफी. Several, it is used for many, both, दो जनों के लिए. We have a very good, I don't know, but many people say that it is a reality, but I don't know, I haven't come across such realities, but some people say this thing, that it's a joke. It is said that there are people who speak like this. मुझे नहीं पता, I haven't come across yet, but you can use it. Both मतलब दोनों. Right? So, in overall, we use determiners. अभी मैं एक दो questions करवा रही हूँ. Don't think that it is off, हो गया ख़त्म. मैं questions दे रही हूँ, मैं आपको भी हम लोग कर रहे हैं. Determiner, determine करना. You are already doing it in your maths also. So you can just take the same thing. किसी भी चीज़ को बताना हम कई तरीके से बता सकते हैं. So one of them is this. That means articles. Articles भी हमें बताते हैं. A and the. Then we have distributive, we have demonstrative, we have interrogative. These are all distributive. ये जो each enough होता है, इन सबको हम distributive कहते हैं. Then they are called as demonstrative. Ordinals and cardinals, they are also there. So thus we have the determiners, common determiners. These are some of the common determiners. Anything that you want to ask? Oh my God. Was it real, Anshika? And my daughter also told me one day, and one of my teacher also, one of my students also told me, हमारे ही स्कूल की टीचर के लिए बोला था, hey you both girls, both of you, ऐसा कुछ बोला था, but I haven't yet seen really, but it's okay. Actually problem हमारी है. We say that if you are studying science and you don't need English, so हम गड़बड़ कर देते हैं. Wait, Ansh. Okay, चलिए. Ansh has answered. Anyone else who want to answer? Okay, Kashish, good. Subodip, right. Pranav, very good. Yes, Abin, wrong. Money. Money, अगर हम 1 2 3 करें तो ठीक है. But money is on a whole, it is a group. So we will be using much. How much money do you want? Yes, Gungun, right. How much money do you have या do you want? Money के साथ हम much use करते हैं. ठीक है. Have you read dash stories? Okay, Subodip.
Any stories?
Pranav, very good. Anshika, ठीक है. Yes, Molika, I couldn't comprehend, beta. Yes, Gungun, very good. No, चलिए, अब stop. Now, Gungun, Gungun नहीं, मैंने Anshika, she said those stories. Yes, we can write it. If there is no what we call as the options given, you can say, have you read those stories? Yes. Have you read these stories? Yes. But if there is an option, because here we have to use a distributive, so have you read some stories? Now I'll tell you why Abin and Kashish you are wrong. I'll tell you. Some stories. Actual right word तो यहाँ पर आना चाहिए था some. But yes, in a general, when we are talking, when we are conversing, have you read those stories? Have you read the stories? Have you read these stories? You can use it. Now, why did not any come? Any we use in singular form. Right? And यहाँ हमारा है stories. So we cannot use any because it is in the plural form. The next. Yes, here you can use any. Have you read any story? Have you read the story? It is also right. It's not wrong. But यहाँ हमारा any आ जाएगा. That is why I had given these two sentences. You know, I made these two sentences deliberately. मैंने जानबूझ के ये सेंटेंस बनाया था because I wanted to show you that when there is, मतलब अगर आपके उसमें आया है, the same question has come, you have the option of some, any, much or little. ठीक है, you have the option of some, much, any, little. अब हमारे केबीसी के अनुसार 50-50 में ये दोनों तो चले गए. मच और लिटिल तो स्टोरीज के साथ आएगा नहीं. अब बच गया हमारे पास दो ऑप्शन, सम और एनी. राइट. सो इफ वी कैन नॉट यूज, अगर स्टोरीज है तो वी कैन नॉट यूज एनी. सो दैट इज वाई द सम इज द राइट आंसर. दिस इज हाउ यू हैव टू कॉम्प्रिहेंड योर आंसर्स. अपने जो आंसर्स हैं आपको उसे इसी तरीके से कॉम्प्रिहेंड करना पड़ेगा. इज इट क्लियर टू एवरीवन? इज इट क्लियर टू एवरीवन? जब आपके पास चार ऑप्शंस होते हैं तो पहले आप देखिए विच आर द मोस्ट नियरेस्ट वन, देन फाइंड आउट द, उसमें से दो उसको हटा दीजिए जो बिल्कुल आपको लगता है इररिलेवेंट है, देन ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट. दिस इज हाउ. ठीक है. वुड यू लेंड योर वॉच फॉर डैश डेज? इज गुड. Few days, okay. We can use for 2 days, few days, some days. A few नहीं आएगा. कुछ दिनों के लिए, एक दिन के लिए, सॉरी 2 दिनों के लिए, because it is in plural to 2 days, 3 days, we can use the cardinal numbers. यहाँ हम use कर सकते. ठीक है. Next, last for today. Do you have dash complain against the clerk? Pranav, right. Anshika, Parul, very good. I'm happy that you are answering. No, गुनगुन जी, अब भी समझाया, वही तो गड़बड़ कर रहे हैं मैडम लोग. Yes, Abin, right. Look, इसका नाम क्या? गुनगुन, look into the noun. This is a noun. Complaint. And there is singular. Right, Gungun? Yes. Please comprehend your answers properly. आपको 4 options हमेशा मिलेंगे. You will be always having 4 options. Okay, first. means this one, 6th one. Okay, Pranav, very good. Maulika, you were right. No, sorry, you were wrong in the earlier and right now also. Yes, Anshika, right, Pranav, right. Here we are using the predeterminers. The story was published in all the local newspapers.
When I saw the newspaper says newspaper,
Okay, okay,
that
okay,
is
okay,
why I
okay.
got confused.
Okay, that's okay. Okay, last one. 7th. Good, Ansh, very nice. Anshika, right. Only Ansh and Anshika have answered. What about others? Not that much difficult. सी यहाँ पे लिखा है यशोदीप राइट. यहाँ लिखा है यस मोनिका गुड. ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर मीन्स टू पीपल यानी कि बोथ. राइट. चलिए बाय बेटा. विल लीव फॉर नाउ. टुमारो विल मीट अगेन. बाय.